Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading. It is going to be a collective reading, and let's see what's going to happen between you and your person in the next 48 hours. Let's see what's going to happen, how they are feeling right now, how you are feeling right now, how they are going to feel in the next 48 hours. Okay, so this is the next 48 hours reading. These are general love readings, so yeah, if it doesn't resonate to you, please click off and watch other videos on my channel. I have many on my channel, so you can watch any of those. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing our channel. If you want to come to me for personal readings, I have mentioned my WhatsApp number in the description box. Yeah, let's see what's up with you and your person in the next 48 hours. Okay, the first one we have is the King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Quite closed off. Your person seems quite closed off. Yeah, the Chariot, but they want movement. This person now wants movement. This is a Cancer energy, Cancerian energy. What more do we have? Wow, Eight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarian energy. What more do we have in your person's energy? Two of Cups, beautiful, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see what you will be feeling like in the in the next 48 hours. Death, Scorpio. Four of Pentacles. Okay, the energies are changing. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. What more do we have for you in the next 48 hours? How you are going to feel? Okay, King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarian energy. And the last we have is Queen of Wands, same, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Okay. Wow. So this is quite interesting because I think till now you were hoping for the best. You were the ones who were quite excited about the whole connection going forward. But now it seems as if the energies are changing and your person is feeling like they want to connect to you, they want to talk to you, they love you, and all these feelings are just I think this person you are dealing with in the past, they were quite closed off, and right now also I think they are closed off, but in the next 48 hours I'm seeing they will want to have movement. You will see them checking your Instagram stories or your WhatsApp stories or messaging you, calling you up. Unexpected communication is what I'm seeing for you. You will receive unexpected communication from your person. Okay, be ready for that. Keep close eyes on your phone. But what I see here is you are not interested anymore, or maybe you're quite angry. You have given a lot of time for this person to come back, but they are just taking too long. And you're like, I'm not interested. I'm not going to take any stand now. If you want to come, you will come. Otherwise, I'm done. Okay, so you're in this impulsive and very aggressive kind of energy. Okay, you don't want to deal with someone who is not sure about you. You want someone who is quite sure about you. And until now, this person was very closed off. They did not express much. They did not say much. Okay, and that was creating a lot of anger. This has built a lot of anger in you. You feel as if this person always takes that long, and you don't want to deal with them anymore. Okay, you don't want to pursue this person. You don't want to chase this person anymore. Okay, you are taking your own stand. You're standing in your own power. This person will want movement. You will see some sort of, they will express their feelings. This is an expression of feelings too. This is about expression of feelings, and you will receive unexpected call or text from this person. Swift movements, like you were not expecting this swift movement from this person. You thought everything is just over with this Death card. You were like, this is done and this person is not going to return, and if they return, I'm not going to take back. I'll just hold myself. You are in this energy of holding yourself back. In the next 48 hours, you will be very tough to deal with. Okay, and this person you are dealing with, this feelings might be vice versa. Okay, so take how it resonates and leave the rest. Okay, I'm seeing this person will realize how much they love you, how much they need to connect to you. This is so true, so pure. They will feel this connection in the next 48 hours. They will express how they feel, and I think this person takes you for granted. They know you will reply them back, and this is going to shock them. When you don't reply back quickly, when you don't respond back quickly, this is going to come to them as a shock. Okay, they will be literally shocked at how you are not responding to them. Okay, and this might they might also start feeling as if they are losing a hold on you. Okay, and they too might try to talk to you, and if you don't respond, they will hold themselves back. They will be like, okay, then you're not interested, I'm not going to text you back. So this is what I'm seeing here coming forth in the next 48 hours, and you will be like, no, I'm not going to show you how I feel, because when I do that, when I show you my vulnerable side, you walk all over my heart again, and I'm not going to do that this time. You're being very tough, and so is your person going to be after they see you not responding to them. Okay, yeah, you have changed a lot. You are standing up for yourself, you're being strong, and you're being this this person who is very tough to deal with. Maybe in past, I don't know, I'm getting these vibes that in the past you were not like this, but you have grown so much. You are used to this person just going and coming back into your life, and you're not okay with that. You want someone who is very stable and who is not so uncertain. Okay, so that's what's happening. Okay, let's see with these oracles what your person will be feeling like. Let's see, let's dive deep into the reading, and let's see how your person will be feeling like. Okay, the first card we have is moving on. See, what I see here is maybe if you don't respond back to this person as promptly as they are expecting, this person will certainly try to move on. Maybe in the past they tried to move on from you, but that was a complete failure. They can't move on from you. Okay, this is what I'm getting from this reading. They don't have to force themselves. They will realize that they can't force themselves to move away from you or move on from this relationship. It will be quite hard for this person. The next card we have is the nurture. See, I told you they'll be coming up with a lot of affection. They will show how much they care for you, for this relationship. They want to take this relationship further. They will try to impress you. They will try to hit your soft spot, and when you don't respond back, oh my god, this person is just going to turn cold. What more do we have? Rest and reconsider. Yeah, dedicated effort and master. See, I told you they want to control things. They want to control you. They want to manipulate you. They want to bring you under their control. But I think that's not going to work how they want. See, they're going to put dedicated effort into you. For some of you, they are going to turn cold, and for some of you, they are going to put their efforts continuously until you respond back to them with how they want to. Okay, this person is very stubborn. If they want you, they'll get you by hook or by crook. Okay, so yeah, be ready to receive some sort of offer from your person in the next 48 hours. And if you get that offer, please write down in the comments section that yeah, you got an offer from your person. I think this person has healed over the period of time, and that is why they can act and think so clearly. I'm seeing a lot of clarity in this person's perspective right now. Yeah. What more do we have? They are going to put effort, don't worry. Action. See, you're going to receive action. You're going to see that this person is taking action. They are very prompt. They will be very prompt in the next 48 hours. They will be very you will see a lot of swift movements from this person's side. Okay, what more do we have, please? Okay, the next we have is enlightenment. This enlightenment has been brought to them by the universe. They know now. They know that you are someone they don't need, they can't risk losing. Okay, and now this person will realize how strong you are, because this Queen of Wands is there. You will stand up for yourself no matter what, and this is the most beautiful energy I'm getting in this reading. You have changed a lot. You are not the same anymore. What more do we have? Yeah, delight. They're going to make you laugh, or they're going to make you feel as if everything is okay. They can be trusted, and everything is they will try to bring everything back to normal. but it won't work. This person is made to realize what importance you have in their life, what importance they have in your life. So everything is just working for you, don't worry. Let's see from the Moonology what comes out for you. The first we have is a new start is coming, so definitely there is going to be a new start in your relationship. Everything is just going to restart. You will have reunion with the person you want, you love, okay? Don't worry. Don't make them mad. I think this person has changed a lot, and it has took them a lot of courage to come forward and message you after such a long time. So yeah, adjustments are required. I told you. You both are going to be very, in the first you're going to be very tough towards this person, because I understand, because you have been played with and you have been disappointed many times in the past. But don't let the past rule your future and your present, because if you do so, this person will also be angry with you, and you both are going to just ruin everything. So adjustments are necessary. Don't worry, if you adjust to this person, mark my words, you're not going to regret it, okay? What more do we have for you? Expect powerful change. I told you, this person is changed now, the situations have changed. Just trust this person. Don't let the past experiences ruin all the beautiful future you're having together with this person, because this person loves you a lot. You can see there is 2 of Cups here, and this is the most beautiful energy we can have. And don't let anything, not the ego, not the anger, don't let anything ruin you, okay? This is a beautiful energy. Just let the love take over, okay? So this was it. If you like the reading, please hit the like button. If it resonates, please come back after 48 hours and tell me that yes, this has happened, you have received communication from this person. I would really love that. See you in next video, guys.